Imagine you're a business owner who wants to make your customers happy. You have a great product, friendly service, and a terrible payment option. How do you think your customers will feel? Even if the customer is eager to buy your product, they'll eventually leave. Fluent Forms and its handy payment options come into play here. This video will show you the payment settings, how to set up different payment options with Fluent Forms, and how to utilize them. Let's navigate to the global settings from the Fluent Forms dashboard. First, we'll head to Payment. Here, we can see the settings. Enable the payment module and enter your business details such as business name, address, logo, and so on. Now that we have covered our settings part, we'll save the settings and head to payment methods. Fluent Forms currently accepts 6 payment methods along with an offline payment option. The available payment methods are Stripe, PayPal Standard, Molly, Razorpay, Paystack, and Square. You can enable any according to your preference. Each of these payment options has 2 modes, Test Mode and Live Mode. Test Mode allows you to try the payment method for free. When you're ready to receive money, switch to Live Mode. We're gonna set up Stripe for now. So let's jump into the Stripe dashboard in a new tab. Now, from the Stripe dashboard, click on the Developers tab and go to the API Keys tab. As we didn't activate our Stripe account, we only have access to the Test Mode. If you have your account activated and want to use Live Mode, simply toggle this to Live Mode. Okay, here we can see the publishable key. Click on it to copy the key. After that, head back to Fluent Forms and paste it. Now, we'll do the same for the secret key. Click here to reveal the secret key. Click again to copy it. Well, our job here is done. Now, we'll head back to Fluent Forms again and paste the secret key here. Once the keys are added, scroll down and save the Stripe settings. Done? Great! Your payment method has been added successfully. Setting this up for Razorpay and Paystack is quite similar, but it's different for PayPal, Molly, and Square. For PayPal Standard, you need to enter your email, and Molly only requires the API key. And last but not least, you will need to add an access key and location ID for Square. Just add the required details for the payment methods and save the settings. And your work is done. If you still have any confusion, we'll recommend that you read the documentation from here. You can find documentation for every payment method. Now that your payment methods are enabled, simply add the payment methods field to your forms and check the checkboxes for the method you want to use. If you still have any other questions about the payment methods or their requirements, please let us know in the comments. Start using Fluent Forms now and collect payments fluently.